and welcome to the update from 16th of April 2020. We haven't got state government data for COVID-19 this morning, but the update from late last night is that the total number of cases from Maharashtra is 2,916. So Maharashtra will probably become the first state in the country today to cross 3,000 cases. Mumbai, meanwhile, has got 1896, that is 1,896 cases. So there is a chance that Mumbai will become the first city in the country to cross 2,000 cases. As of late last night, the total deaths in the state of Maharashtra was 187. The total number of tests conducted in Maharashtra stood at 52,000, of which 232 people were tested positive in the last 24 hours. The number of people who died in the last 24 hours was 9, of which 2 people were from Mumbai and 6 were from Pune. The number of cases in Mumbai in the last 24 hours was 140. This is much lower than the weekly average that we've been seeing over the last 7 or 8 days, which is around 220 to 250 cases per day in the city of Mumbai. The total number of deaths in the city of Mumbai stands at 114 as of late last night. I also want to talk about a shocking story that emanated from the city of Mumbai yesterday. A pregnant woman who was tested COVID-19 positive had to go through another mental trauma of being rejected by 7 hospitals in the city for admission. Our reporter Rupsa Chakravarti followed the story through the day, and this is what she got for us. 7 hospitals in the city refused to admit a COVID-19 positive pregnant woman who was 27 years of age. She is from Grant Road, who was expected to deliver the baby in 3 days, owing to lack of COVID-19 OG wards, her husband has alleged, adding that she was kept at home without medication for 30 hours after the diagnosis. Finally, BYL Nair, which is a civic hospital, decided to agreed to admit the woman late on Wednesday evening. According to the protocol of the Union Health Ministry, when a patient is found positive for COVID-19, he or she needs to be admitted and shifted to an isolation ward immediately. The ICMR, which is the Indian Council for Medical Research, recently issued an advisory, which is called Management of Pregnant Women in COVID-19 Pandemic, seeking special care for pregnant women. The woman did not have any symptoms. Around 4 months ago, the couple had reserved a bed for a delivery at a city hospital. When we got in touch with the city hospital, they said that nothing of that sort had happened, which is that the allegation that the husband said that the hospital had rejected his wife's admission. When we spoke to the MD and CEO of the hospital, he said nothing of that sort happened here, and I would not like to comment on it. Later on, of course, BYL Nair took her on, but before that, 7 hospitals, which is KEM, which is King Edward Memorial, which is the biggest civic hospital in the city, Bhabha at Kurla, St. George, Kasturba, 7 Hills hospitals, along with 2 other private hospitals, turned down the patient. The matter has now gone to the BMC authorities, and they are investigating as to what has happened, and maybe they'll issue a new protocol today to admit COVID-19 positive pregnant women in city hospitals.